In this video, you will learn how to protect yourself and how to behave properly during an earthquake. An earthquake is one or multiple series of vibrations on the ground that can cause serious damage to persons and property. During an earthquake, do not run away. Falling objects represent a danger. If you are inside, take shelter under a sturdy piece of furniture or in a corner of a wall. Stay away from windows and mirrors. Do not face them. Cover your head and neck. If you are outside, stay away from buildings and everything that could collapse. If you are driving, pull up your car at a safe distance from anything that could fall down. Stay inside your car until the earthquake is over. After the earthquake, be careful. There might be aftershocks. Listen to the radio for safety instructions. Close the water and gas inlet taps. Open windows and doors in the event of a gas leak. Leave the building. Do not use an elevator. Make your way to an open space. Eventually, head for a meeting point. Take your personal documents, warm clothes, and essential medication with you. Walk in the middle of the road and pay attention to falling objects. Don't smoke and don't light candles because of an explosion risk. Don't touch falling power lines. Don't make phone calls in order not to congest the telephone network. Students are taken care of at school. It is dangerous and not necessary to pick them up. Block access to damaged buildings. Stay away from coastal areas as there may be a risk of a tsunami. Make sure that your neighbors, especially if they are old or handicapped, do not need help. How to address the risk? Familiarize yourself with the possible natural catastrophes in your country and safeguard measures. Arrange a meeting point for your family. Prioritize earthquake-resistant house constructions. Select your shelter areas. Store damaged and dangerous items properly in order to prevent them from falling. Secure devices and heavy pieces of furniture. Prepare your emergency disaster kit and first aid kit.